I just want to see if I can get the one rubber band off.
No, don't look at it.
I'm not pulling it off.
No, don't put it off. Just said you're gonna.
I'm going to see if it moves.
Don't
This is
do
an
it yet.
at-home
Just look
orthodontist
at it. Don't do it yet.
visit.
You're gonna do it.
No, let me see.
So she has a loose wire in the back, and we're gonna try to get it out because she needs it cut because it's poking the side of her cheek.
It's dangerous.
So
Then why would we do this?
No, the wire sticking out is dangerous in my opinion. Cole, wouldn't it be easier if I just left the rubber bands on, snipped them with a snipper, and pulled it out?
I don't know.
You know, at the orthodontist, they just cut these with the little scissors. You don't?
Yeah, they do this.
All right. Well, you're biting my thumb. Oh, did I not get that one? Oh, Coley, we gotta get that one. All right, sit still, Beansy. Sitting, you're biting my finger. I'm not gonna let it hurt you, please. Ouch. I'm just gonna have to come over the top of this one, huh, Cole?
Yeah.
Where is that rubber band, buddy? What's it over top of? I know. It was over top of that big bar.
Wait, show it. So we have to get the rubber band, the bands on the like individual brackets off first before we get the wire out.
Okay.
Oh, that
What?
one.
Hmm?
What are we gonna tell the orthodontist?
That it was cutting you, and I didn't have a choice.
You're going. I know, I'm. Oh.
Come on, look out. Open up.
GH is excited.
So this is one of those tough
We're
ones.
trying to pee on the new carpet.
Open your mouth. Uh-oh, don't swallow it. Oh, it's got that.
Mouth and it's too long.
No, it wasn't too long.
It's shifted.
Oh, it just fell out.
Went, no.
No.
It
So
started
this
to
is how it's
twist.
supposed to be. Like it started moving that way.
It just shifted. I'll call him.
See that? So that's what was in her mouth.
Look how straight my teeth are.
Yeah, the cut's already really round.
GH, do you want braces?
Oh my gosh, let's put it in her mouth. Yeah, that'd be one of those orthodontist assistant things.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't know what I'm gonna say to the orthodontist
Like, they
because
say
like,
never do anything with your things at home.
because like our parents don't go back with us. Like it's just us, and so I'm the one who's gonna have to be like,
My dad
yeah.
took it
So
out.
this happened.
And there's the bottom still in?
The bottom's fine.
So they just took it back up because the end was poking you.
Just the top.
Yeah, the top end part.
So, bye guys. Love me.